YOOHE Black Aluminum Suction Cup Dent Puller Hadle Lifter, Dent Remover Heavy-Duty Glass Lifting. Easy to operate, just adjust the handle to a separate state, then place the black suction cup on the surface of the item. Press the suction cup vertically down and use the suction cup handle to lift the item. Perfect design, compact design and easy grip handles for easy lifting and carrying. The use of rubber chassis toughness and deformation creates a vacuum, and with the atmospheric pressure, will suck firmly goods so as to achieve the purpose of the goods lift and handling. High quality, our glass suction cups handle body constructed with aluminum alloy, the bottom of suction pads constructed natural rubber, very strong and durable for prolonged use. The diameter of cups is 4.7 inch. And glass suction cups' maximum lifting weight is 200 pounds. White application. The glass suction cups can firmly stick to any clean noporous flat surface. It can move smooth flat object, such as the glass, tiles, mirror, floors, granite. Please make sure that the suction cup are in the flat surface and object should be larger than the bottom suction cup diameter. Tip: our black aluminum suction cup dent puller can only be used to move glass or lifting smooth surface objects, but not work for car dents. Great service, we provide 30 days full amount refunding. Excellent customer service brings you no worries after purchase. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or dissatisfaction with our suction cup dent puller lifter. We will provide you with a replacement or full refund.